Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another of my entries to my Red Birthday Challenge, and I'm so peeved at my postmaster because look how he sent this package. I mean, it's ripped everywhere. He jammed it all inside. I haven't looked inside yet, but I was just so angry that he tried to shove this into the box and it didn't fit. I mean, the rule is if it doesn't fit into your post office box, they're supposed to put a key, and I've had him do this. Never had a problem ever before. I've been having mail late. I don't know what's going on. Like I said, I've never had this kind of problem before. But anyway, I'm just so mad that this is ripped up. And then I had another package. You know, it took like 3 weeks to get there when the code said it was supposed to have been there earlier on. So I don't know what is going on with them, but they're going to get another Instagram from me. So that he would take, you know, just jam this in there. So I was just really pissed. So anyway, this is from Paulette tape. So let's go ahead. It's already ripped open, and go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. And hopefully nothing came out of it. But you know, I don't know. You know, let me know, Paulette, if anything is missing, because like I said, he just, you know, tore the package all up. I was just really mad about that. That's just laziness. I mean, like, all you gotta do is put a key in it. It's like no big deal. Alrighty, so enough ranting, but thank you so much for entering. And if you haven't seen the video yet, please make sure you DM me or email me and let me know, just to check on the status, so I can check to know if anything's outstanding, if it hasn't, you know, gotten to me yet, if the postmaster's holding mail, or you know, whatever. I don't know what the deal is. And this started around December, which is weird. Like I said, I've had this box for about 7 years. I've never had a problem. My stuff, you just get there on time, and all of a sudden now, since December, I don't know if it's a different group of working, what, just problems. But anyway, sent stuff back. I don't even know what it was. People say, I don't know. So it's just been a lot of crazy stuff. So just make sure you check and see if your video hasn't been up. I can let you know if it's in the link to upload, because I've been doing one a day. And you know, I can let you know. So this is something. See, this heart was bent over. Not heart, excuse me. The butterfly was bent over, but it's still cute. Still got it straight. I can still see what it is. It didn't come off, thank God. So this says, sending you crafty hugs. Enjoy your day. And she's got some flowers up here and a paper clip on the side. So let's open it and see what's inside. Alrighty, we got some goodies here in my favorite colors. So as you can see right here, we got some cut aparts. Move this to the side. So we got banner, we got some flowers. Oh, some pretty flowers. I don't have these. We got a globe, a mirror. Oh, pretty nice stuff. Oh, dainty, pretty stuff. Look at this. Look at that rose. Can you see that? Look at that. I don't have any mirror like that. That's so pretty. Got a ticket. Oh, look. Yeah. Some bands that I can use with bow bands to put on a card or something, in front of something. I got some tickets. So thank you for those goodies, because I can always use those, and I don't have any of those cuts. So right here in this first pocket, there is an envelope, and there is and it got stuck, and it's probably because the side of it came loose, because he had it. Don't worry, I can get that. I can get an envelope. But anyway, this is happy birthday, and she's put a nice banner tag up here, and it says party. Yes, ma'am. You ain't got to tell me twice. So anyway, it says can't talk. Time to drink champagne and dance on the table. How cute is that? And it says birthday hugs, and it says hello. So, how you doing? Happy birthday, happy belated birthday. The colors that you chose are great, especially since my favorite color is black. Oh, yay. See? Black is black are so, red and black are just like my colors. They're just like strong, powerful. They make a statement colors. I made the following items: memory decks, birthday card, a VR, ATC, and a tag. Thank you, Paulette. I didn't write on the card, so you can reuse it if you want. Well, thank you, thank you, thank you. Very pretty card. And then over here, she also gifted me some more. These says believe in hope. Aren't they pretty? Oh, I love those. And I love that fancy script. You gotta let me know where you got those from. So she also gifted me some pretty red goodie bags, which I can always use. And then look at this one. This one's, oops, another bag over here. And this one's her ATC. It says Shine Bright Cutie. I like those stamps. I have some of those too. And I'm trying to remember her name over at the top of my head. Not Matilda. Okay, y'all know who I'm talking about. Her. I like her. And it says Scrappy Tate on the back. And then right here, it says You Nailed It. Look at this Memorydex card. Isn't that pretty? It's got a purse, got the nail polish. I love that rose bow right there. It says You Nailed It. I love that sentiment too, the nail polish bottle. Isn't that pretty? That is so gorgeous. On the back, she's got Paulette, her YouTube channel, Scrappy Tate. She's a January baby, and she likes clean and simple. Happy crafting. Thank you. And look at that. Follow your dreams for her tag. So I like that stamp set right there. She's got a little star right there. And then over here, she's got a paper clip. We got some hearts. She got a paper clip and oh, look at that keychain. Key on the clip. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Love every single thing. And she's got some more goodies over here as well. I'm so pissed at my post. I mean, I paid for that. It ain't free, so they shouldn't have to tear up my stuff. That just makes me mad, you know. It makes no sense. So let's see what over here too. We got a little organza bag full of some more goodies. Also got some Polaroids in here. Nice different size. Got some nice pretty. This paper is very pretty. And we got some butterflies in here and some hearts. So definitely can decorate with those. Embellish pretty paper. Whoops, I didn't show you the topping. And that says happy right there. I was so busy ripping into it. And so we got some banners. I swear today, I'm just so mad because, you know, bending my stuff up. So right here, she's got some 3x3s with the coordinated envelopes. And these are blank, so I can, you know, she gave these for me so I can use those. So thank you very much. And these will come in handy when you want to send a quick note to someone. And I like those as well to match with it. And she sent me this that says Be Kind on it. And guess what she sent me? Girly girl stuff. Some dies. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ripping everything up. Pretty. So got the atomizers. We'll have fun with that. It's a 4-piece set right there. And then this says Hope. I love these fonts on all of these. On the Happy too. And she sent me some beautiful bows, small ones and some medium and large size as well. So I can use all of those bows in any project because, as we all know, bows come in handy. It's like, it's so funny how like they became such a craze. But I think, sorry about the noise, that we know that bows just accent pretty much anything. You know, it goes with such a girly girl thing. But it's also a masculine thing. I mean, bows go with pretty much any kind of thing that we're working with, that we're doing as a paper crafter. So we've got some different size bows, and I like that so you can do different projects with them. And this is the one, the scalloped edge on it. And she's all got black centerpieces. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And again, I will have her information listed below. And I'm so sorry again for what my postmaster did to your beautiful work, but it still came out beautiful. I still see everything. So all of your work is intact. I count everything. So thank you so much. And I will have her channel listed below. And again, if you sent me something, please make sure you respond, since this is the kind of treatment, you know, like I said, I've never had that problem before, but just want to make sure that everybody gets, you know, what they're accounted to. And I'll probably give it a day or two after the 31st and go check. But if I don't hear anything from anybody, then I'm assuming I got everything in, and then I will proceed at the same date for the drawing. But if I hear something, somebody's waiting on this stuff but they haven't seen it, please let me know, so you can double check and make sure I got it, because I may have to go choke my postmaster. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.